Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to log into CareCredit account. CareCredit is a credit card specially designed for health and wellness needs. If you'd like to log into the account, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser in order to start. In the address bar at the top, type in www.carecredit.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll land in the home page. Mouse over to the login button at the upper right hand and you'll be able to see a pop-up. Go ahead and select your account type. You can either log in as a consumer or a provider. Let me click on the consumer login button. On the next page, you'll be able to see the login area. Go ahead and type in your username in the username text box. Make sure to type it correct and then head over to the password field and type in a password correct as well. If you'd like to double check your password, you can click on the show link right in the corner of the box. If you want the system to remember your username so that you won't have to type it again while logging in with the particular device, leave this box checked. But if you are using a public device or a shared computer, uncheck the box and you can simply log in by clicking on the login button. But if you've forgotten your username or your password and you'd like to reset to a new password or to look for your username, you can click on this I forgot my username or the password link. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. After filling all of your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your CareCredit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.